Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Tell us say morning Fibs. Oh? Say morning Fibs. What you showing them? Your handband? Say morning Fibs. Can you say morning? No? Alright.
Morning Fibs.
Hi guys. on our way, early morning, early Sunday. It's gonna be a great day.
It's gonna be a great day. Today is the day, you guys. Today is a special day. Today is the big day. I can already feel it in the atmosphere. It just feels a little bit tense with a little bit of fun, a little bit of nervousness. Today is the day. And you know what today is? World Cup finals. But we have to get things done. So we're going out early to the new house to try and get some stuff done and then head back in time for the game. Yes, Tyler?
After your house, we go to the pin shop.
Okay, we're going to the pin shop after the new house. What are we gonna buy? What are we gonna buy at the new house? Well, Tyler says we're gonna go about at the pin shop after the new house. I don't really know about that, but let's see. I don't know where you get that from. Anyway, you guys, we're heading to the new house right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. If it's your first time to our channel, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. That way you won't miss a vlog. Catch up and keep up with the fan bam. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay positive, stay motivated. We love you guys. And let's go make today productive and good, then fun and blessed and awesome. Yes, my love.
And hot.
And hot. I don't think we want to make today any hotter than it already is, honey. Today's mission in the house is for me to continue painting right here where you saw I left off. Yes? Of course, my good sport is there. What? Cover? Go up on the bed somewhere else you're gonna fall. Go over some more. He likes to cover like that because he doesn't like flies and mosquitoes. Anyway, you guys, so my mission today, as you can see, the two different color where I stopped off the last time was right here. So I'm gonna continue doing this roof, go all the way down, and this wall all the way down, and leave this wall because this way renovation is gonna take place. So I'm going to do all of this roof all the way down, and while I'm doing that, babe started cleaning the windows and stuff for me down there. Babe, say hi. Hi. So babe doing the windows and stuff. So yeah, today's work is on its way, so let's go. Have a lot to do around here, but we're getting there. We're almost done. You guys, we are back from the house, but I honestly couldn't vlog because we've been hurrying to come back and watch the game. Yes. Go for the pencil. The pencil is on the table over there. You guys, can you believe that I heard my husband scream just now? That has never happened in life. He was so happy. You can't turn around and look.
No.
Why?
It's pressure. I call pressure.
He was so nervous, and France final score, so the nervousness kind of go down a little bit. But we decided to stay home instead of going town because, boy, town is gonna be crazy. It's on pencil, not paint. Town is gonna be crazy, especially France in this World Cup. No, you don't. No, you can't paint. You color it. You don't paint it now. Color. And color is on the table. Go for the colors on the table. Anyway, you guys, we have accomplished a lot today at the new house. Babe worked really hard today. You did well, honey.
Try.
He did so well. Babe cleaned all of the windows in the rooms and the doors. There's only one he didn't get to do, and that's good. That's good. I can do that in the week. So all those windows and doors I won't have to clean because babe did that today while I was painting. So we got a lot done by the house, and now it's time to relax and watch history unfold. Okay, though we won't be in town for the excitement, but God know I'd rather be at home than get beer through all over my head. Okay, Papa is nervous.
Put some shoes in it.
Put some shoes in it. Where am I to put it? Penalty, and baby's nervous. Father asked you.
Mama.
Is him kicking it? Him trying to kick it over the over. Woo! Oh Lord, I'm nervous. Penalty. France try don't kick away the ball out of nervousness. Right now the game is at 1-1, you guys. 1-1. And penalty going right now. Come on!
My tablet now. My tablet.
Yes! Yes! Tyler, say go, France! You just want his tablet. You want a tablet? Where is it? See there on the floor. Somebody still at the pool, honey?
That's done. That's done, baby. That's done. That's done. It's done.
Banana! Banana!
The first that was.
Fireworks, baby! You heard that? You hear that? You hear that? Oh my gosh! You hear that? Oh my god! Listen that! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh my gosh! Hear that? Baby, carry my phone, come please.
Mama,
Yes, Ty?
look.
Yes.
Look, Mama.
Bonjour.
Look. This. This.
Oh my gosh, so crazy. So basically, today's vlog was about World Cup, non-stop World Cup. How you feel, champion?
It's good. It feels good.
20 years later.
Oh man, we won 20 years ago. I was a little young kid, and now I'm just. Oh, that feels good.
The excitement on the street.
I've never seen so nervous during a game.
I've never heard my husband scream before. Except today.
I never been nervous like this since years. Oh Lord.
I had to say, alright honey, they're gonna win. Calm down, have little confidence.
That doesn't change anything.
And he was
that doesn't change anything. Oh Lord,
you guys, the streets are crazy. I'm happy that I decided to stay home and not take Tyler, because there's no way I could take Tyler out.
It's not the place for Tyler.
And all the horns on the street, I was just saying to babe at 10 o'clock that, geez, are they gonna stop tonight? Like, well, then again, they deserve to celebrate, right? Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Tyler's off the bed and we need to go and get some rest.
I'm proud of our team.
What's the expression for tonight?
Can you ask?
I'm asking.
The expression for tonight is Champion du monde,
Champion du monde, champion, champion, champion du monde. Tell them what that means.
That means world champion.
Yes. So
World
France
champion.
is the world champion
Ah,
of
yes.
the World Cup. And Jamaicans would say, France no good again. Simple means you win.
Okay, France no good again.
France no good again. France turn up. That's
France
all the
turn
messages that I've been getting. Well, France no good again. France turn up. It's just an expression of excitement when you win or when you're
yes,
leading.
we did it.
France no good again. France turn up. So that's the expression. That's the Jamaican expression.
We meet again in 4
tonight.
years.
Yes, let's see if they're gonna drop out at first round or they're gonna regain their title. Anyway, you guys, do you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today? You get it?
Make sure you get it, and this one you make sure you get it. For the next 4 years.
You better get it. Alright, you guys, if it's your first time to our channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, comment down below. Catch me and keep up with the fam bam. We love you, and we'll see you guys
In 4
tomorrow.
years. Oh no. We'll see you guys tomorrow.